Hey guys, it's Molly here from Tigger's Wigglers, and I just want to bring you through step one of how we make our worm tea at the farm. So first you need your Tigger's Wigglers Magic worm castings right here. This is the key ingredient to making this tea bag. So here's our tea bag. I will link these in the description below. They are perfect to make worm casting tea. They're just cheesecloth with a tie. Now 1 to 3 cups is good, but for our size of the tea bag you'll want about 4 cups, and this is just a coffee cup I'm using. So that's what she looks like. We'll tie her up. And now step 1 is complete, and this will be off to make some worm castings tea. Thank you guys. Hey guys, I am back for step 2. So I am now going to insert this tea bag into the water. This is a 50-gallon drum that I have in front of me, and we use a lot of worm tea, so that's why I'm using a 50-gallon drum. You can make a smaller scale of this using just a 5-gallon bucket, but because we use a lot of it, we're going to use a 50-gallon bucket. So next, I'm going to, there's already water in here, but I'm just going to top this off. This is dechlorinated water. It has no chlorine in it. That would just defeat the purpose of what we're doing. It would kill the microorganisms. So we want to avoid that. To be even more careful, we add vitamin C, which the microorganisms love. So just a dash. We'll do like that. Next ingredient we're going to add is our kelp. Kelp is great. We even add it in our worm chow. This is also more food for the microorganisms. Like that. Just a dash of this is fine. I don't really measure. And just about that. I will be linking all of these ingredients in the description below. Next is Neptunes fish seaweed, or fish poop. And first we're going to want to give this a good shake. It settles at the bottom. This stuff does not have the most pleasant smell, but that's okay. The microorganisms love it. So just a capful. This I do measure because it does have that smell. So just a cup like that, cap like that. All good with that. And next is going to be the Molasses, as I like to call it. This is also linked in the description. So this you can go without. We like to add it because, again, more food for the microorganisms. And so, just about that much. And that is it for ingredients. So I am going to now give my tea a stir. Stir all up. And the last and final step is going to be to turn on our pump. And this is going to oxygenate the water. This is the most important step. You can use a smaller pump, but again, we're using a 50-gallon drum, and we use a lot of it. So we're using a much larger pump that I will again link in the description. So now that we're stirred, I am going to start this, and I'm going to add oxygen to the aerobic microorganisms that are facilitated in this tea. So let me plug this in, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm going to start brewing my tea now. There we go. going to let this sit for 24 hours. This is the final batch of worm tea. This is the color. This is what it looks like. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching my worm tea video, and like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching.